Avodah Zarah Perek Ein Ma'amidin, sponsored the Refuah Shlema for Sarah Yehudis Bas Pesadina. Question: is it permitted for a Jew to stable his bird with a Gentile? The answer: Shmuel witnessed a Gentile purchase a goose, sodomize, strangle, and roast it. Rabbi Yirmiyah witnessed an Arab purchase a thigh, carve out a hole, sodomize it, and roast it. Apparently, they are suspect regarding birds as well. The Gemara discusses a previous contradiction. The Brisa states, it is permitted to purchase an animal from a Gentile for an offering. Why not suspect the owner sodomized it? The answer: number one, Ravina explains the concern is lichatchila. Initially, a Jew is prohibited to stable his animal with a Gentile, but after the fact is not prohibited for a sacrifice. The proof: our Mishnah states a Jewish woman is prohibited to seclude herself with a Gentile. However, a Mishnah in Ksuba states a Jewish woman taken captive by Gentiles for ransom is permitted to her husband. Apparently, they are not suspect of licentiousness. We must distinguish between our Mishnah as lichatchila and the Mishnah in Ksubas as b'di'evid. Similarly, one is prohibited lichatchila to stable animals with Gentiles. B'di'evid, they can be used for sacrifices. A refutation: perhaps Gentiles are suspect even after the fact. A Jew's wife is permitted when kidnapped for ransom because the Gentile will not violate her, fearing the husband will refuse to pay. Number two, Rav Pedas explains our Mishnah follows the opinion of Rabbi Eliezer, who holds Jews are prohibited to purchase a parah aduma from Gentiles because he suspects them of sodomy. The Rabbanan permit it. They hold it is permitted to purchase sacrifices from Gentiles. The refutation: perhaps both opinions hold Gentiles are not suspect. They dispute whether the Gentile would place a bundle of sacks on the animal. He assumes when the Torah states asher lo Allah aleha o, it refers to a significant burden like egla rufa. In fact, even an insignificant burden disqualifies it. Rabbi Eliezer is concerned he may have placed an insignificant bundle. The Rabbanan are not concerned. The rebuttal: it is improbable that a Gentile would jeopardize forfeiting an exorbitant fee to place an insignificant burden on the animal. However, he is suspect of sodomy. He may not be able to control his desire even for the exorbitant fee. The refutation: Rabbi Eliezer does not suspect him of sodomy. However, he holds that the Torah decreed the parah aduma must be purchased from Jews, as it states, Daber al b'nei Yisrael v'ikchu elecha parah aduma. The rebuttal: Rabbi Eliezer disqualifies purchasing animals from Gentiles for sacrifices, even though it does not mention v'yikchu. Question: perhaps the Rabbanan disagree regarding the parah aduma because the Gentile would not jeopardize forfeiting an exorbitant fee by sodomizing it, but would disqualify an animal purchased from a Gentile for a sacrifice. The answer: the Gemara rejects this for two reasons. Number one, the previous brisa permitting purchasing animals for sacrifices would be an unknown Tana. Number two, a verse in Yeshayahu states, Kol tzon kedar yalu l'ratzon ha-mizbechi, a locale of idol-worshipping Yishmaelim. Question: why is a parah aduma disqualified by being sodomized? It is not kodshe mizbeach. Kodshe bedek habayis, having only monetary sanctity, are not disqualified by being sodomized. The answer: the Torah refers to it as a chatas. Question: it should be disqualified by being removed surgically as a cesarean section. Answer: the same way a blemish disqualifies a parah aduma, because it says tamima, so too sodomy disqualifies based on a gezerah shava. The term hashchasa used to refer to blemishes and immorality. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.